Hello and welcome to Reviewing with Mrs. Wages. This video is meant to review objective number 1 of the DNA unit. This objective asks you to explain the structure of a DNA molecule. Let's get started by looking at the structural components of DNA, the nucleotides. What are nucleotides? Nucleotides are the building blocks of DNA. Each nucleotide is composed of a phosphate, a sugar, and one nitrogen base. Every DNA nucleotide has the same phosphate and sugar. The phosphate is shown here in orange, while deoxyribose, the sugar, is shown in blue. However, the nitrogen base can be one of 4 different bases, such as adenine, guanine, cytosine, or thymine. It's the nitrogen base that identifies the nucleotide. The nucleotides string together to form the 2 sides of the DNA and connect across the molecule as well. A word frequently used when discussing DNA is complementary. So what does complementary mean? Complementary means 2 different nitrogen bases properly connect with hydrogen bonds. Remember, a base pair is composed of 2 nucleotides, and this picture shows 2 base pairs in DNA. The top base pair connects cytosine to guanine, using only 3 hydrogen bonds. The bottom base pair connects thymine to adenine using 2 hydrogen bonds. So you can see that the bases that are complementary are different in that one is a purine and the other one is a pyrimidine. So what parts of DNA are complementary? The nitrogen bases in DNA are complementary when they connect to form base pairs between 2 nucleotides. Cytosine is complementary to guanine, and thymine is complementary to adenine. So what's the difference between the bases adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine? Well, 2 of them are purines and the others are pyrimidines. And what, you might ask, are purines and pyrimidines? Purines and pyrimidines are nitrogen bases found in DNA. They're classified based upon their shape. Pyrimidines are nitrogen bases with a 1-ring shape, kind of like a pie. Purines are nitrogen bases with a 2-ring shape. So what are some examples of nitrogen bases? Adenine and guanine have a 2-ring shape and thus are classified as purines. Cytosine and thymine have a 1-ring shape and are thus classified as pyrimidines. So putting all this information together, how would you describe the structure of DNA? DNA is a 2-sided molecule, like a ladder, that twists to form a double helix. Each side is made of a chain of nucleotides linked together by covalent bonds. The sides connect with weak hydrogen bonds, linking complementary bases to form the base pairs or the rungs of the ladder. That's all for now. As always, happy studying.